Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com. In today's video, we are looking at list building without a website. So if you're looking to earn money online and you don't really want to get involved in websites, you can still do it by building your list without a website. And obviously email marketing is one of the most powerful marketing still online. So if you are online and you haven't started building a list, then now's the time to watch this video and start to build your own list. Let's head over to the desktop and show you exactly how you can do it. Okay, so before we head over to the desktop, if you are new to the channel, then make sure that you then subscribe right now and hit that notification bell so then you will get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, let's show you how to list build without a website. Okay, so before we actually get into the nitty-gritty of how you can actually go and build your list, let me just, I want to show you an article here that I looked at the other day, and it's 30 email marketing stats you need to know for your 2020 strategy. Now, we're not going to go through all of them, but some that caught my eye, and I want to just go over them with you. Why you need to be building a list, and also why you would need to use that list for email marketing. So as you can see here, for every $1 spent on email marketing, it generates $32 in return on investment. The conversion rates for emails are higher than social media, direct traffic, and search. 81% of businesses say that email drives customer acquisition and 80% for retention. And then 59% of marketers cite email as their #1 source return on investment. And the last one, email offers results in shoppers spending 138% on their purchases. So as you can see, guys, email marketing is definitely where it is, and it's still rife and it's still really, really profitable. So that's why we need to start building our email list and using email marketing for our business. Now, whether that's an affiliate marketing business, internet marketing business, network marketing business, or just a bricks and mortar business that has actually moved online, especially in these recent times where more and more businesses have moved online. This is the way to go. If you're not already doing email marketing, then like I say, then watch the rest of this video and find out exactly what tools you need to get started, and also how you can do it without actually even having a website. And obviously with your email list, as customers, build trust and relationships with your customers, and in that respect they will then obviously buy more and more off of you as you go down the line. Okay, so what do you need to actually start with your email marketing? Now, the main tool you're going to need is a email marketing service provider. Now, basically what that means is it's a place where you can obviously store your email list and to also send emails automatically to your list once they have signed up for a particular offer. Now, this is very easily done, and there are loads of companies out there on the internet where you can actually use their services for this. I actually use AWeber, so that's the one I'm going to show you today. Now, I'm not going to actually show you the whole setting up process of the AWeber. I've actually done a video about this previously, so if you check out the link in the description above, and also I'll put the link in the description below, and that's a whole video, 20-odd minute video, which actually walks you through how to set up your AWeber account. So even as a total beginner, you can set up everything that you need. Okay, so check out that video, then stay tuned right to the end, and I'll obviously mention it again there. Okay, so we're not going to go through how to set it up, but what we're going to show you how you don't actually need a website to be able to use AWeber for this process. So let's just sign in and I'll show you how you can do that. Okay, so we've come into my account here. This is a fairly new account. Obviously, as you can see, I'm growing quite nicely on my lists I have in here. I've had 8 added today and 8 added yesterday. So that's fairly consistent with over 906 active subscribers. You basically will have a list set up. So, and like I say, you refer to the other video to how to do all this and build your make your lists. I've got a brand new list here, so there's no subscribers on here at all or anything. And then what you need to do, so instead of linking it to a website, AWeber has a feature where it's so you can actually go and produce landing pages. I've got one that I was playing around with a few days ago, but we want to go and then create a landing page. So as you can see from here, you get a selection of templates that you can actually use. So they've done most of the hard work for you. So all you need to do is literally choose a template you roughly look as if you want to do. And it tells you on there, so if you want to sell a product, you can use this one, sell exclusive content, a product promotion, a blog sign up, newsletter sign up. So there's all various different ones here that you can use. So we're going to choose this template here. So you just hover over it and you can hit the preview the template if you want, or I just choose the template and this will open up a drag and drop editor. So this gives you elements down here. So you've got text, images, videos, buttons, forms, social stuff, everything in there. And as you can see, as I hover over it, everything is editable. Okay, so you can change the font. So you've got template styles here, so you can change the font. So the body font at the moment is Source Sans Pro. So let's change it completely. We wouldn't obviously normally do this, but I'm going to try and change it to a really weird one so you can see the difference. There we go. That's changed straight away. You can obviously do the same with the size and the color. So if we wanted to change this to argument's sake blue, then it can be changed. Bam, done. Okay, you've obviously got your link colors, that sort of thing. You've got header fonts. So if you wanted to change the header font here to be different, then obviously you can do that. And again, you can make it larger. So if we wanted it bigger, we can make it bigger. So as you can see, everything is totally editable, which is great. So you can then change this. You can add in your own logo. So let's, for argument's sake, we go and click in there and it says add an image. So we go to my image gallery and my images, and I've got my header in there. So we could then change this background. So if we change the background, that could then go to white. See, that's now changed. This image here, well, we could get away with that, get rid of that image and place another image. So we could go to our gallery, or we could go to the image gallery, or we could upload another image. Form, as you can see, we've got that one there. There we go. That looks better. And obviously, if you need to add more text, you can just copy and drag the text button, and you can see the line appears where you want to put it. So if you want to put it underneath the other paragraph, you can do, and you can just put, we can add more text here. Yeah, that's really how easy it is. You've obviously got buttons you can put in. You've got videos. If you wanted to put a video in here, you could put a video in instead of an image, something like that. So it's really easy to do. As you can see, so simple. So all you then have to do is, once you've done that, is you can then save and exit when you're happy with your design. And don't worry, you can actually come back and edit it again if you want to know. If you want to preview it, you can head up here to preview it, what it's going to look like. But you can save and exit. Okay, and then once you come here, this is our test page here. So we just hit the publish. Boom, there we go. We've now got our page live on the internet. And as you can see here, AWeber obviously hosts the page for you because you've got a big long link here. Okay, so you can just copy that link. You can also go and use a shortened link supplier, someone like Bitly, to go and shorten this link so it's easier to obviously promote out. And then you literally come over, we can go and have a look at it, paste that link, and boom, there we go. There is your page. your landing page ready to start building your list without your website. So no website needed, like I say. So let's just test it out. We can go on and put in our name and our email and just click sign up. It then obviously tells you here you're almost done. You've got to activate your subscription by this would all be well, I've got a double opt-in on here, so they have to confirm their subscription. You can choose whether to have a single or double, and again that's I go over that in the other video, so make sure that you watch that one as well. So let's just head over to our emails. As you can see here, we've got a new email here. My response is required. So we just click on the confirm my subscription. Boom, done. That's it. And then if we head back, we can see here, if we go to our subscribers and manage subscribers, we then have one person in our list, which is great. So there we are, I'm all subscribed. So now, obviously, once you've set up all your emails ready to go out, which again, you can cover that in the other email, in the other video. So make sure you watch that. Then you're ready to go. This will automatically start sending emails to your people on your list. Okay, so you do obviously need an email service provider like AWeber. If you like the look of AWeber, it's one of the oldest businesses out there, and I've been using it for about 10 years plus now. Had no issues with it, and really do recommend it. So if you want to hook up, you can actually get by clicking on the link in the description below, you can actually get a 30-day trial. So you can go and then try this for 30 days and it won't actually cost you a penny. So you can then start building your email list with their custom landing pages and everything else, and you will then not have to pay a penny until after 30 days. So you can then give it a good road test, see what it's like, and then who knows, by then you might have a really good list growing and also some income coming off of that list. Who knows? Okay, so if you've got any questions, obviously put them in the comments below and I'll certainly try and help you with those as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then make sure you give us a big thumbs up under the video, and also drop us any comments you want below and I'll certainly try and help you out with an answer. Don't forget, if you want to know how to set up AWeber, then follow this video here. That will show you step by step how to do it. And obviously, if you haven't already subscribed, then hit the red button and obviously hit that notification bell too, so then you'll get notified every time we make a new video.